Okay, so we're going over basic rope turrets. Right now we've got a standard turret. It's just axes, and as you can see, it flips a tit because the turret can't hold it. Rope turrets make it so that the gun is actually being held up by the weight of the hull base instead of just the turret plate. The only way you can do it is using the precision alignment tool because the rope turret can't offset the positions that you need. So if you don't have no history of using this tool, make sure you pay attention closely because it can get a bit complicated if you've never used the tool before. First thing you're going to do is click Mass Center up here on the top. Click once on your turret plate and then shift click to get a second point. Then you want to right click on your hull base, go to point 1, attach, point 2, attach. And you'll see the green lines are going from the marker to your hull plate. And that's exactly what we want. So the point, and I just deleted it. Well, sorry about that. Force a habit. And then we're going to shift click once on your gun, shift click twice on your gun. And so we got 2 markers here and 2 markers on your gun. Going to right click on your turret plate, go to point 1, and then make sure everything's 0 filled, and click relative to entity. I guess we can 0 it again. And we want to go 100 units up, and then set, and then point 2, 100 units down and set. So the points are connected to your hull plate, but they're 100 units up and down of your turret plate. Then we want to go to the gun, uncheck relative entity, 0 fill, and then recheck it again. Oops, sorry, I actually clicked the wrong one. So just do the same thing, uncheck relative, 0 fill, and then check it relative again. And you can see it, the mass center of the gun is 15.6 units forwards. And we do 100 units to the right. Oh, my game is frozen a little bit. Really weird how that keeps happening. 100 units to the right and set. And then point 4 is 100 units to the left and set. And we've got this, all of them are marked around. These 2 are above, and these ones are to the side. All we gotta do now is go to constraints, point 1 to point 3, go to rope, make sure rigid is set, 0 everything, and width you can set to 0 as well, but for sake of showing what it's gonna make, we're gonna keep it at 1. Do 1 to 3. Create constraints, 2 to 3, create constraints, 2 to 4, create constraint, and then 1 to 4, create constraint. And it makes this diamond shape around the gun. We can go ahead and delete the points and show what it's making. You can copy it. And you can see now that the gun still works, and it's holding up a lot better because all the mass is being put on this one plate now. And that's how we make a basic rope turret.